Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to copy text from photo in laptop. So it is very simple how to do that. Okay, and simply open your file explorer. When select your image, where is it? So in my case, this is my image on my screenshot area, screenshot folder. Open that image. Okay, after that, in Windows 10 PCs, you can see mouse pointer here. There is another option for OCR, but in Windows 11 there is no option. So how to copy text from image in Windows 11 is very simple. Simply press on Windows key, Shift key, and S key. Okay. After that, you will get this pop-up. Then you can see here this is option text extractor, and there is shortcut of Windows Shift T. So we are using that one, Windows Shift T. Okay, and otherwise you can use this option. You can click here, then you can see here there is option for selecting area, and I'm selecting this one. So out selecting, left click, then drag. You can see here, left click and drag, and just drop. Then it will be processed. Then you can simply see here to copy these items like these things. Right click, or you can simply copy it, and after one copy, then it will be closed. Then I will paste here. You can see here, pasting here. So the text is here. Okay, and one more thing, you does not need an internet connection for this. You can see here my Wi-Fi it is turned off. Okay, after turning off my Wi-Fi, I'm once again selecting that window, shift and T, window key, shift key, and pressing T. But actually it is not coming. We are using that same method like windows shift S, then select this one, or we are pressing window key, shift key, T from here, and it will be activated. And we are simply selecting the area. You can see here I'm selecting the area, and no, that's not work. So once again we will do that with simply pressing this one, selecting this one, and selecting area. You can see here I'm selecting this area, and it will be processed. You can see here it's processing without internet, and you can simply click here and right click, and you can select all text and click copy, and you can use your notepad. Actually there is notepad, it is only sticky notes, and you can see here not now, and we can take a new note by clicking this area and simply press Ctrl V, and it will be pasted here. So you can see that. So it is very simple. In this method you can simply copy any text from any image without internet. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.